Citrus farming has a lot of challenges, and the basic challenges that affect most of the farmers are diseases. Today I'm here to educate you a little bit about citrus diseases and how to tackle them. I will not mention the diseases because most of the citrus farmers know them and we have been doing them in most of our videos. The only thing is I'm introducing an agronomist into the farming business of Jkusenga farm. We are here to educate you in and out of the farm.
Citrus, there are only three major challenges in citrus. Number one is gamosis. Number two is citrus kanga. The other one is the flower botrytis or the flower blight. Now, the good thing is that the products that are used to manage any of these will do in the three. For example, for the flower blight or flower botrytis, you can use Absolute Star 10 ml per 20 liters. That will help you to manage your flowers that they are not blighted and they don't abort. Then, for you to manage the citrus kanga, you spray Cantona 30 ml per 20 liters, just once per month. Once per month. But then, if you want to manage gamosis, you have to scout your tree and you identify where the gum is oozing from. You wipe it away and then you apply Cantona, undiluted Cantona, by painting. Cantona for gamosis you apply undiluted by painting using a brush. And if you don't get a brush, you can improvise a rag. You can improvise a rag, then you apply so that you're able to manage the citrus kanga, Cantona 30 ml per 20 liters, the gamosis applied by painting. Citrus greening disease is what most of the Chinese people would call Haolong-Bing. It's a bacterial disease. HLB. It's a bacterial disease. It is vectored by, transmitted by, or carried by citrus psyllates. Now, remember, this is a bacterial disease, but vectored by a pest called citrus psyllates. Now, for you to manage this disease, you literally have to manage the pest, the citrus psyllates, using either Billionaire at a rate of 2.5 grams per 20 liters, then you spray, or Lexus at a rate of 10 ml per 20 liters, then you spray. Those two products from Greenlife, Crop Protection Africa, will help you manage the citrus psyllates, which is a very dangerous pest that transmits or vectors the citrus greening disease. It's a bacterial. But then, being bacterial, you can also apply Cantona, which is a copper abatate, to try and stop the bacterial spread. Then you boost the immunity of your crop by making sure that the crop has all the nutrients. Like you have to do the optimizer, 10 ml per 20 liters, to boost, to biostimulate it, make sure it is green for it to photosynthesize. Remember, if a crop is doing photosynthesis well, it is going to be green, strong immunity, growing fast, and then it will give you yield. So to manage HLB, that citrus green disease, is a big challenge. So farmers have to manage the vector, that pest, just one pest, called citrus psyllate, using Billionaire or Lexus. Scales, remember scales will attack on the new emerging shoots. And therefore, when your plant is in vegetative growth stage, you have to do Lexus, 10 ml per 20 liters. You can alternate Lexus with Emerald. Both of them, the application rate is 10 ml per 20 liters. So Lexus, 10 ml per 20 liter, Emerald, 10 ml per 20 liter. Alternate them. Whichever comes first is okay.
Copper is good, but also very dangerous.
When you are applying Cantona, Cantona is a fungicide. It's also a bactericide. So you don't mix Cantona with any other product other than Integra sticker. Cantona you only mix with the adjuvant, Integra. Cantona 30 ml per 20 liters, Integra 3 ml per 20 liters. Either during spraying, drenching, or during application by painting to control gamosis. The reason as to why you don't mix Cantona with any other product is because it's a copper, and copper is metal. You don't mix with other products because they may react to form salt and water. And remember, if the salt is so concentrated, it is likely even to bleach the crop, what people say, scorching. So you don't mix copper with other products because the reaction may end up forming something that may scorch your plant. That is basically the science. You don't mix them to avoid scorching your leaves.
And that is all from us from Jkusenga Farm in partnership with the Kuma Farm. Yes. I hope you've taken home something, and I hope you're subscribing to the channel, liking and sharing to other farmers who are farming citrus so that they get to know what you know right now. Thank you from Jkusenga Farm.